This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the Hoylake Apartments at 697 Hoylake Avenue. Starting at the entrance, there is a wide, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer in the bifolding door closet on the immediate left. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Rightwards of the entrance is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the light-colored upper and lower cabinetry. Next to the kitchen is a utilities room with significant storage space. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open-concept design. On the back wall, there is a large window with a glass door on the left that leads onto the balcony. Both the window and door have window coverings. Rightwards of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with window coverings on the back left wall. On the immediate right, there is a spacious walk-in closet. Left of the walk-in closet is the ensuite bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and walk-in shower. The vanity features 3 drawers and 4 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a mirror and lighting, and 2 sinks. Left of the kitchen is a hallway that leads straight to the second bathroom. Just prior to the second bathroom, there is a bifolding closet on the left. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 drawers and 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Right of the second bathroom is the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a large glass window with window coverings on the back right wall. On the immediate left, there is a bifolding double-door closet.